In the heart of the Whispering Woods, every feather had to be perfect for the biggest day of the year.
I'm gonna sing so high the clouds will dance.
Focus, Pip. Elegance is found in the stillness.
1, 2, tap, tap. This anthem needs some kick. The moment had arrived. The Forest Choir Scout was only minutes away.
The scout from the Great Scout.
The legendary scout, Goldie the Great, landed with a presence that Sire...
On my count. Deep breaths, everyone.
Pip was so excited she forgot one very important thing, her breathing technique.
But instead of a majestic note, out came a hiccup that sounded like a squeezed rubber duck.
Pip? Pip?
What was that? Again, from the top.
Hick, hick, hoo.
Thump thought he could hide the hiccups with a little percussion. He was wrong.
Stay with me, Pip. Just keep it steady. Work with it, Pip. Hiccup. 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 This feels good. The dignity. The poise. It's all gone.
A crowd began to form. They had never heard anything like this before.
Look at them move! They love the hick beat.
Don't stop now! The forest is alive! The most important critic in the world couldn't help himself. Look!
The scout! He's tapping!
Thank you!
They finished with a flourish that left the entire forest in awe.
I have never.
I have varjas in all my years.
The silence was heavy until the scout did something no one expected. He found the groove.
They weren't a choir anymore. They were a sensation.
The Harmony Hiccup spread through the woods like wildfire.
Sir Goldbeak didn't just give them a passing grade.
He gave them the golden leaf for innovation.
And so, the prestigious choir became the Hiccup Harmonies, proving that